chacun s'en va dans l'oubli éternel. Et Gustave Dom Guardiam dilim dididididam lute sera doridam seram dim dim da 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 dim da 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 dim da di dam dim dim da 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 dim da 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 dim da di dam. Dans là-haut sera ravi les toits à sœur noir gris fera clair obscur trouble de rature trouvera effet clair obscur bordé aux peintures trouvera sans elle clair obscur trouble de rature.
If you're gonna give someone flowers, you should probably do it before they wither and die.
What, the flower? Or Sophie?
Ooh, dark. Sophie would approve. Hey, you said it, not me. The others are waiting for you. You're supposed to be helping with the festival.
With what? Putting up 3 tables? They'll manage.
You underestimate Lumiere's enthusiasm for the expedition. There's at least 5 tables.
Marvelous.
Have you tried throwing with your other arm instead? If you could hit the paintress directly, that would actually be useful.
You know, hobbies don't always have to be useful. I'm enjoying the uselessness of today and readying my usefulness for tomorrow. And soon, I'll get to do a lot more than throw rocks.
That's what all the other expeditions said.
Hey, you know they gave their lives to lay the trail for us, right?
Yeah, I know. So,
Yeah.
you still got a flower to give, no?
Yes. Just... I'm not sure how to start. After 4 years apart, what do I say to her on the day of her gamage?
You're asking me. I don't know. Sun's about to set, so be direct. Hey, Soph, been a while. Could we... All right, let's go. I'll accompany you there. Are you ready to see her again?
Yeah. Been ready.
I set up these grapple shortcuts. Nice, huh? Don't tell your sister, though. I sort of borrowed the hooks from the Expedition Academy. Wish I had them when I was working as a courier. Come on, Gustav, speed up a bit. Sophie will have already gamaged by the time you've arrived.
My head.
Can't believe Sophie already turned 33. She looks so much younger than you.
Thanks.
She's popular. I'm sure she already has a necklace full of flowers.
I can imagine. What?
You look tense.
Yeah,
I know what you need. A little
No.
Come on, it'll loosen you. And if you win, I'll give you something you can use.
All right, you're on.
Yes!
Those who come off.
You won. Now, don't you feel better? I see your smile. All right, now, let's go find Sophie. I saw her near the red and white tree.
Yeah.
Oh, the plaza is lively. Why people like to celebrate the Gommage is still a mystery to me, but oh well. The red and white tree. I've always found it beautiful. I don't really understand. You and Sophie broke up so long ago. But clearly you never got over her. Why'd you wait until today to say something? It's a bit late, isn't it? Sophie's down there.
Yeah, I know.
Good luck.
Thanks.
The last few days meant everything.
Can we talk?
Gustav. I love you all.
That's for your, if there's room.
There's always room.
You know,
I
I'm
miss you.
sorry that... I
You
miss
don't
you
need
too.
to... Okay.
You go.
No, you.
You know how I feel. I wish things had been... You know, I often think... Another path, you know, another future.
Still can't finish your sentences, can you?
Yep, that hasn't changed.
I missed that. I never faulted you for wanting to believe. You're fighting to change things. I understand, just... in a different world, right?
We'll break the cycle, so she can't steal anyone else's future.
Stubborn people change the world, and you are the most stubborn person I know. Thank you. Walk me to the harbor?
Yes.
Oh, hi, Sophie. So Gustav really did come, huh?
Yeah, he did.
I knew he would.
Has everybody already left?
Yeah. Everybody's heading to the harbour. Sophie.
Looks like you still have a lot of flowers left.
Well, there are less and less people to buy them. I just wish you didn't have to wear one.
Tiffany.
I should finish cleaning up here and join everyone at the harbour. See you.
See you.
See you.
See you.
I can't imagine what you're going through.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I've lived 33 good years. Look around. We've had our whole lives to prepare. We're all fine. Mostly.
I'm not fine.
You will be.
My Gestrel. Hey, madame. Do you think the Gestrels really exist?
Of course they do.
That's what I think too. One day, I will meet one. Even if it means joining an expedition. I'll raise a Gestrel army and we'll crush the Paintress. And me and my little... We're tired. If the legend... That's why... That's... Thanks.
Something wrong?
The expeditions. What a joke. All they do is leave us here to die. They're just escaping.
You know their goal is to save us all, right?
Yes, that's what my father told me last year. before he left for Expedition 34. And here we are again this year. We could have spent one more year together instead of...
Your father fought to offer you a...
I have no future.
You never know. There are some...
Yeah, right.
Gustav, why don't you show her some of your fighting skills to prove her wrong?
This guy is strong.
They all train their Picto skills very hard to save us all.
Then, Madame, why didn't you join?
Me? I'm content with my life. Or maybe because I was afraid.
Do you think
My friend Ciel always says, do your best. Either it works or it doesn't.
I don't want to have regrets.
When the time comes, you'll make the right decision. I'm sure.
Thank you. Now, I give this to your boyfriend. My father gave it to me, but it might be more useful for him.
Why does Manon keep saying death comes to us all?
You haven't heard that before?
No,
Unofficial expedition motto. You never heard Lucien say it either?
I think he prefers, we're already dead, you're just catching up.
Yeah, I heard that one recently.
I don't know. Kinda nice in a way. Having a deadline forces you to prioritize.
You can really find the silver lining in everything.
No, it's just... things do...
Hi, Gustav. You're back. Oh, did you want to pick out a different flower?
No, the one you suggested earlier was perfect.
Oh, I'm glad. These garlands are our last farewell. I want them all to feel special. I have a garland saved for you, too. But it's not a farewell garland. It will be a welcome home. Good luck.
Thanks, Ophelia.
Oh, Luna's playing. You two would make a cute couple.
If you say so.
Or maybe something already happened, huh? Sometimes I feel sorry for her.
Who? The paintress?
Look at her. She looks sad. Maybe she's a prisoner too. Stuck in the same cycle with us. Silly, huh?
Only you could choose empathy at a moment like this.
It's one of the few choices I can make.
I couldn't do it.
It's okay. You don't have to. I've always loved the harbor. see your apprentices.
Oh,
Gustav!
What?
Here, Sophie asked us to bring you your coat.
We sewed up the sleeves so you don't have to keep rolling it up.
You guys know how to sew?
Sophie helped us. Turns out it's not that hard. You really should have done this ages ago.
You did this?
Gentlemen, that was supposed to be between us, yeah? I wanted to do something for you.
Soph. Thanks, guys. This is great. Thank you.
See you at the festival?
Don't leave without saying goodbye.
Yeah, of course not. What? I know that face.
You mean a lot to them. I can tell.
Yeah, they mean a lot to me too. Legacy can take many forms, right?
Yeah,
You told me that.
right.
Why?
I wanted to see you wearing it.
Oh, you like uniforms now?
This too is your legacy.
In a way. It's yours too.
Esti tornere marina, esti l'inaki soledad, tona l'ora tovla, alina. Esta surano taki le noir tonare fuego verso Alina ai.
I'm here.
There you are. You can't hide from us, you know. Like I said, mourning's best done with friends.
Lucien,
What? It is. Grieving alone's the worst.
where's mine?
Santé, les amis.
Santé!
Yeah, no, I could use a drink.
Five tables this year. You see that? Told you we'd beat the 34s. Even my Elle showed up and she hates these things. Wanna go take a look?
I don't... Maybe later. I'll catch up. I'm okay. I'm okay. You go.
Yeah. Time for a refill anyway.
There's an excess of wine, again. Thank you, sister, for her generosity.
Oh, and try to enjoy yourself. Don't drink alone, you weirdo.
Yeah, right. Enjoy myself. Let's at least check on my end and my apprentices. Commander?
Gustav? Saw you with Sophie.
Yeah, where's your daughter?
Leona's upset. Doesn't want...
Shit.
It's okay. She doesn't...
Yeah.
I'm counting on you.
No pressure.
Oh no. Lots of pressure.
Thanks, but that's not... Everyone has a role. Lucien, Tristan, Catherine. We have a really good team, thanks to you.
Tomorrow counts, my friend.
Doesn't it always?
I think there's other survivors out there.
Doubtful.
But not impossible. Maybe if they have shield domes. But they would have been overrun by Nevrons before they could build it.
We were lucky the fracture dropped us out here. Bought us time to get our defenses up.
I don't know. People are resourceful, and Nevrons can't be.
I like that.
Gustav! Just the man I wanted to see.
You want a rematch, don't you?
Well, it's my last chance, isn't it?
After tomorrow, you'll be the undisputed expert on expedition history.
That's tomorrow. What about today?
Who am I to deny you? Fire away.
How many years ago was the fracture?
You're kidding. This is your question.
Yes. When did our world break apart and our luminous city get thrown into the middle of the ocean? Hmm? When was...
33 years ago.
Really, Gustav? I gave you such an easy question.
Glass of wine? Or a heart?
Keep your sweat to yourself.
Bring Gustav a glass.
Who exactly are you talking to?
Ah, the ultimate indignity. A farewell party where we serve ourselves.
I'm betting you've got another bottle stashed in your...
You wound me. But yes, in fact. Or was it? Always bring backup.
Right.
And I am prepared. Prepared to live. And...
You're such an idiot.
Hey. We've got your Lumina converter, yeah?
Yeah, well, we've only tested it here. Who knows what we'll meet on the main continent.
Don't worry, buddy.
Great. Thanks, bud. Hey.
Hey, yourself? You okay?
Yeah. Actually,
That's okay.
what about you?
Oh, that was over ages ago.
Oh, sorry. I really thought you guys would work out.
It's for the best.
Yeah. We're all we have. I can't believe you're working right now.
Tristan dragged me here.
Is that the final spot? It's amazing you triangulated Expedition Zero's...
Theoretically. Extrapolated from the archives, but... It was 67 years ago. So much of the landscape has changed.
I trust your calculations.
Thanks.
It's a good strategy, tracing their steps. They're the only expedition with any survivors, and they made it to the monoliths.
Assuming the records are correct, my calculations are correct, that they left clear markers that...
You need a drink.
Go away, Gustav.
Gustav, we got something for you.
For your field notes. So, when you come back, you can tell us everything.
They'll definitely want that for the museum. The complete record of the expedition that destroyed the Paintress.
Oh, and if you find journals from the other expeditions, make sure you save them for us.
I shall faithfully record all our adventures, every strange and wondrous thing.
And Nevrons.
I can do that. And in return, do you solemnly promise to take care of the Shield Dome while I'm gone? I'm entrusting you with the same...
I promise.
Promise.
Adriana?
I'll use everything you taught us, Monsieur G.
I should check on Maya. She's probably alone, as usual.
Ready for tomorrow?
Yeah. Been ready. What about you? Heard you were elected Commander 32.
I've already claimed Alon's office.
A view of the Paintress. You're sicker than I thought.
She won't be there for long.
If we fail, though.
When one falls, we continue.
You need a drink.
Go away, Gustav.
You came.
I wasn't sure if I should.
You've been avoiding us. You didn't have to.
I heard Seba feel...
Yeah.
Do you think I'm a coward for staying?
Do you?
Not anymore.
Meaning what? Make yourself accept the unacceptable?
More like... rediscover.
It makes me sad, Dave.
No.
If you say so.
Wow.
second thoughts about the expedition?
Please. I'm more ready to go than you are.
Yeah, I know. Look, I know we've been over this, but as your guardian, I need to say this one more time. The rest of us only have a year left, but you've got 9 good years before your Gamage. You don't need to leave yet. It's a lot to risk.
1 year out there is better than 9 years in here.
I know you think that, but
If anyone should stay, it's you. You have friends and family who want you here.
so do you.
No, I don't.
Emma thinks of you as family.
Lumiere's not my home. Besides, this way I can keep an eye on you for Emma.
Right. Because she needs eyes everywhere.
Shush. You're lucky you have a sister who cares.
Doubly lucky.
All right, enough chit-chat. Come on, old man, let's have a duel.
Old man?
You're pretty much the oldest man in Lumiere now, no? Come this time, I'm not messing around. No shame losing to a superior fighter.
Weak.
Hope your Lumina converter works better than your dueling. Too slow, old man.
Now, don't get too confident.
Emma's here. Your sister's going to be looking for you.
Our beloved Chief Counsel. Yeah, I should go talk to her.
Don't get too drunk tonight, okay?
My darling sister has arrived. She'll kill me if I don't say goodbye. The Chief Counselor honors us with her presence. What? Still mad I'm going?
This is the definition of a fool's quest. My brother's not usually a fool.
I've heard you say otherwise.
You and I both know the political complexities that necessitate the expedition.
You should put that in your speech. Very motivating. Name mind?
There are so many things you can contribute to here in Lumiere that'll have a real impact.
Em, you're doing great work, really. Getting things ready for the last generation. You've got it well in hand here. Let me do my part, out there, and win us a chance to live.
We're never going to see each other again.
You're so busy anyway. I barely see you.
Just take care of Maëlle, okay? I can't believe you're letting her go with you.
Me? You're her guardian too. You stop.
We're her guardians, not her jailers. She really wants off this island.
Don't you have a speech to give?
You mean the one you so kindly wrote for me?
Just suggestions. I thought it might help you understand.
I do. Understand? I just... Anyway. Yeah, time for my speech. Expeditioners. The Sword of Lumiere. We honor your dedication. We do not take for granted that you dedicate your final year of life to keeping hope alive for all of Lumiere. Some of you are leaving to change the world. Others to discover the secrets of our universe. Some to protect loved ones. Others to find meaning in our all too short lives. As you sail into the unknown, know that Lumiere stands with you. When you battle the Paintress, know that Lumiere fights with you. Let the stones of her monolith crumble. Let her body lie at the end of the world. Unable to paint another death, let the stars no longer be hidden by her oppressive silhouette. Let the world once again watch the sun rise without the shadow of her cursed figure. May the wind of renewal take you to the ends of the earth. Tomorrow comes. Thanks to you. Expedition 33.
Get ready. You're old. How did you survive the Gommage? Which expedition are you from? Fall back! We need to go! He's not following. Putain! What the fuck? Who the fuck was that?
Merde! What do we do now?
Regroup at the rally point. The Indigo Tree. fucking snap out!
You do that, we both die. Hey. Fucking hell. Wake up, Gustav.
Lune. The others.
I know. We're the only ones left. You don't get to die.
It's just a matter of time before we're already dead. Look around, look.
This is not a foregone conclusion. When one falls, we continue. Get up. We need to find a safer place. There are Nevrons around.
Lucian.
This is not the place. The Lumina converter seems intact. It's about time we test it in real conditions.
Bruta.
See if your invention lives up to its reputation, shall we? It really works. We're not dead yet.
Yeah.
Come on. There might be other survivors at the Indigo Tree. do it.
We can use that.
Danger! Brace yourselves.
Lunde, watch out!
I'm ready.
Swiftly. Is that a house?
Looks abandoned. The indigo tree is not too far from here. If anyone else made it, they'll regroup there.
Yeah. We can use that. Nice. Here we are, huh?
Yeah. The continent. The indigo tree's over there.
can use that.
Interesting.
It will be blood of your life. Give up the
Interesting.
This is weak. Watch out!
Let the ink flow. looks dangerous.
Let me help.
Danger!
Weak.
I'll do it.
This would be...
Let the ink flow. Точка Са. Let the ink flow. Feel the burn.
Weak.
I'm ready. Homework is flow. Brace yourselves. Ready to evade. Feel the burn. The storm is coming. Feel the burn. I'll do it.
Let me help.
Storm is coming. Feel the burn. I'm ready. Feel the burn. ready to evade.
Blue trees.
Something's disrupting the chroma around here. Be careful. Just stay there. I'm ready. Take cover. A storm is coming. Feel the burn. Dodge yourself. Ready to evade. Let the ink flow.
Nice.
Someone came here before and set up these handholds.
Probably Expedition 69. The Climbers Expedition.
Let us thank them for that. Something's wrong with it. Why isn't it attacking us?
Well, it certainly attacked them. An expedition journal. 81. Learn from the ones who came before.
and lay the trail for the ones who come after.
Expedition 81, René. Huge discovery. This is the first Nevron with whom we've been able to communicate. It seems stuck in this cave. Gregoire is, as usual, deeply suspicious, but this could change our entire understanding of Nevrons and the Paintress.
They communicated with a Nevron.
The dead here don't disappear like in Lumiere. Their chroma stays inside their bodies.
On the beach, some did disappear.
He wasn't a Nevron.
Something about the way Nevrons kill seems to affect our chroma.
Perhaps your friend here can enlighten us. It really does speak.
What do you mean, light?
Did you kill these people?
Painted? By the Paintress? If we bring it light, perhaps we can learn more.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Flares!
Survivors!
Hurry!
We can use that.
Feel the burn. Take cover! A storm is coming.
We can use that.
Interesting.
We can use that.